We have some breaking inputs coming in. After holding meeting with the CEC, Arvind Kejriwal has cited 3,000-page evidence, and Arvind Kejriwal has once again leveled the allegation that the Bharatiya Janata Party is conspiring to cut votes.
हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने 3,000 पेजेस के सबूत रखे कि किस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली के मौजूदा लोगों के, जो लोग अपने अपने घरों में कई सालों से रह रहे हैं, उन लोगों के बहुत बड़े स्तर के ऊपर हजारों की तादाद में वोट कटवाने का षड्यंत्र रच रही है। हमारी मांग थी कि ये मास डिलीशन बंद किया जाए। अभी समरी रिवीजन चुनाव आयोग ने किया है, मास डिलीशन बंद किया जाए और जिन जिन लोगों ने इस किस्म के आवेदन किए हैं उनके खिलाफ FIR दर्ज की जाए।
We have Tetri joining us on the broadcast. So Arvind Kejriwal met the CEC. He is talking about evidence. He says there's 3,000-page evidence. He's once again leveling the allegation, says BJP is conspiring to cut votes.
Well, absolutely. Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, along with Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and Raghav Chadha, all three of them met Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar today and in fact have submitted a memorandum. And in fact, Arvind Kejriwal said that it is not just the memorandum that they have submitted. As you rightly mentioned, they have also submitted a proof, the evidences of 3,000 pages. And in fact, they also stated that this particular evidences and the data that Aam Aadmi Party has submitted to the Chief Election Commissioner. So that particular data contains that the names of the voters who whose names will be deleted as the voters, and in fact he has also stated the names of the constituencies from which the voter deletion process has begun. And in fact, as we have earlier also reported that there were constituencies like RK Puram and Shahadra where Aam Aadmi Party chalked out that how many number of voters names could be deleted, and in fact they also stated that the process has begun. And Arvind Kejriwal said that after meeting Rajiv Kumar, they have assured that action will be taken, and not just that, in fact the fake names who have been mentioned, or in fact the names those who have been deleted in a wrong way, action will be taken against that and FIR will also be filed. So yes, we'll have to see that what happens next in this entire matter, because this is not for the first time that Aam Aadmi Party is picking up this issue. Earlier also in the assembly session, in Delhi assembly session, this particular issue was picked up by Aam Aadmi Party, and as far as now it is concerned, because they have also mentioned that one applicant is submitting thousands of names for deletion of for the voters, and in fact the voters is himself surprised as to how is her name got deleted or in the process of getting deleted is what Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging.
All right, Tetri, thank you very much for getting us the details. Keep tracking all the developments.